Looking for a way to add some extra flair to your website's loading animation? Try creating a cute cat loading animation using HTML and CSS. Let's get started. This block of code defines the basic structure and components of a loading animation for a cat using HTML and CSS. The animation is contained within a single div element with a class of loadingCat, which contains 6 child div elements that make up the body, head, legs, and feet of the cat. The body div element is styled with a radial gradient background that creates the appearance of fur. The head div element contains nested div elements that make up the face of the cat, which is styled with a complex background that combines various radial and linear gradients to create the appearance of whiskers, eyes, and ears. The foot div element contains nested div elements that make up the lower body, feet, and legs of the cat, each of which is styled with a border and the same radial gradient background used on the body. Finally, the hands div elements are not nested within the foot div element but are sibling elements and are styled with a border and the same radial gradient background used on the body. Body. This selector sets some basic properties for the entire HTML document's body, including setting the margin and padding to 0, creating a light pink background color, and hiding any overflow content. LoadingCat. This selector creates a main container for the loading animation, which has a fixed width and height of 480 pixels by 360 pixels, and is positioned relative to its parent element. Additionally, it has a display, inline block property, which centers the container horizontally on the page. Finally, it uses the animation property to apply an infinite animation to the loading animation over a 2.74 second duration. LoadingCat.head, LoadingCat.foot, and LoadingCat.body. These selectors position the head, feet, and body of the cat within the main container. The position absolute property is used with top, right, bottom, and left properties to center each element within the container, and the width and height of each element are set to 240 pixels to create a symmetrical shape. Additionally, the border radius property is used with a value of 50% to give the elements a circular shape. LoadingCat.body. This selector sets a radial gradient background image for the cat's body. The gradient starts with a transparent color, then gradually transitions to a dark gray color at a 35% position, before transitioning to a beige color at a 39% position, then to a bright orange color at a 46% position, and so on. LoadingCat.head, before, and LoadingCat.foot, before. These selectors are used to create pseudo-elements that sit behind the head and feet of the cat's main body. They also use a radial gradient background, starting with a transparent color and gradually transitioning to a dark gray color before transitioning to a brighter orange and then back to gray. LoadingCat.head, before. This selector uses clipping to create the cat's ear shapes. The clip path property is used to create a polygon shape with 3 points that clip off the top of the circular head element. LoadingCat.head, after. This selector creates the cat's ears that sit on top of the head. The content property uses an empty string to create the pseudo-element. Then, a background image is created with a linear gradient that creates an S-shaped curve, transitioning from pink to transparent, and then transitioning to a pink to dark gray radial gradient. LoadingCat.head.face. This selector creates the cat's facial features within the head element. The position absolute property is used with left and top properties to position the face relative to the circular head element. The transform rotate property is used to rotate the face at a 47-degree angle. The background property is used to create a complex background with multiple radial gradients and linear gradients to create a distinctive look. LoadingCat.foot, before. This selector creates a rounded pseudo-element at the base of the feet, using clipping to create the shape. LoadingCat.foot.tummyend. This selector creates a small circular element that represents the cat's lower torso. LoadingCat.foot.bottom. This selector creates the feet of the cat using a bordered circle shape that is rotated at a 21-degree angle. The border top width property is used to create an additional border section that creates the curved shape. .loadingcat.hands, .loadingcat.legs, and .loadingcat.foot. After, these selectors create the paws and legs of the cat using thin rectangles with borders. The border property is used to create the border, and the background color property is used to create the brownish-gray color. These also use the position, absolute property with top and left properties to position these relative to the circular body element. .loadingcat.hands, this selector uses the border top property to hide the border at the top of the rectangle shapes that create the paws of the cat, and the border radius property to create rounded corners at the bottom. .loadingcat.hands.left and .loadingcat.hands.right, these selectors use the top and right properties to position the two paws on either side of the cat's body at a slight angle. The transform, rotate property is used to rotate the paws to create the illusion of paws on the ground. .loadingcat.legs, this selector uses the border bottom property to hide the bottom border of the rectangle that creates the legs of the cat, and the border radius property to create rounded corners at the top. .loadingcat.legs.left and .loadingcat.legs.right, these selectors use the top and left properties to position the two legs on either side of the cat's body at a slight angle. The transform, rotate property is used to rotate the legs to create the illusion of legs on the ground. .loadingcat.foot, after, this selector creates another pseudo-element to create the heels on the cat's feet using a rotated rectangle shape. At keyframes body, this animation creates a clip path effect on the cat's body to create the illusion of the body undulating in a wave-like fashion. At keyframes loading cat, this animation rotates the entire cat during the loading animation with a series of percentage animation steps. At keyframes foot, this animation rotates the feet of the cat to create the illusion of movement. .loadingcat.body and .loadingcat.foot, these selectors each apply the aforementioned animation styles to the appropriate class element. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.